Welcome back, everyone, to MIT ADT podcast. Today, we have with us two faculty members from MIT College of Management. We have Dr. Geeta Rao, who is an associate professor and the head of the Department of Research. And we also have with us Professor Rupa Rawal, who is an assistant professor at MIT College of Management. I welcome both of you to this podcast. Dr. Geeta Rao, I would like to ask you the very first question, that is, what are two key factors about MITCOM?
At MIT College of Management, we don't concentrate on mastering of theories and concepts. We delve into the amalgamation of theory and concepts with the practical knowledge. We go ahead with the case studies, role plays, and presentations so that the students get an opportunity to showcase their skills and develop their knowledge. So that is about, I can say that is the key feature of MIT College of Management.
Dr. Swapnil, to speak about MIT College of Management, MIT ADT University, I put a pride to say that our university as well as the college gives a varied curriculum aspects. Usually other universities or the colleges which are there in Pune city usually do not provide it. The best part is, along with the core compulsory, the child can choose the specialization right from their first semester of FYBBA. So we have named number of specializations. So I would like to speak about international business. International business, which talks about international relations, then international economics, then we talk about cross-cultural communication, etc. This brings about a change in the aspect of the grooming of our students, And along with it, we have the value-added courses, which brings about different aspects like foreign language. Then we have business simulations. Then we have Tally certification courses. We have ERP finance. We have tax procedure and practices, which will help our students not only venture the national or local level, but they relate it with the international perspectives. So the students usually bring about a great personality along with them. And rather than that, we also have the university compulsory courses where we prepare our students towards IELTS examinations so that they become first-hand clearance towards the GMAT exams, So right now, if you see, our students are well placed in multinational companies and our students are moving abroad. From the past 5 years, I've given many recommendations to our students. Some are studying at Australia, some are at UK, some are abroad with Canada, etc.
Dr. Rao, how does MITCOM help in students' professional upbringing?
Yes, sir. Sir, we have special programs for all the UG and PG programs, BBA, BCA, MCA, and MBA. Right? From first semester onwards, we start with the basic communication and then proficiency skills. Right? They will be developed professionally in their communication skills, right from talking English, then the grammar part, and then how to work in teams, the leadership, then motivation, etc. We will be covering all these parts in so that they will, when they come to their final semester for placements or internships, they will be in a position to communicate properly with the companies which they are coming. That is one part. And the other part is we are also developing them into the aptitude, wherein actually many of the BBA and MBA and even MCA and BCA students, they have to clear aptitude before going for placements. So we do provide aptitude skills for the students, and that will be for entire 2 semesters. And then we'll also have some domain expert training programs, wherein depending upon the specialization of the student, say for example, if a student is MBA in marketing, so depending upon the company which is coming to the organization, we'll be giving them domain training. That is, if the company, say for example, Pattern is coming, or if finance, if Deloitte is coming. So how the students have to be prepared, what kind of questions will be asked, what kind of tests they will be, what will be the level of the companies they will be giving entire information about the companies. And obviously, during the curriculum also, they are learning the theories and the applications of whatever has to be done in the organization. So, but basically, these are the two things which we are giving to the students so that it will be easy for them to get placed.
So thank you very much, Dr. Gita Rao and Professor Rupa Rawal. It was nice interacting with both of you. Thank you very much for your time.